Hello and welcome to Global Bike Buzz. Today we're diving into a truly distinctive machine from Italy's historic marque, the 2026 Moto Guzzi V100 Mandello. We'll walk through its design, performance, riding character, technology, and unique selling points, and of course, the price. Let's get into it. From the very first glance, the V100 Mandello stands apart. The styling carries the unmistakable Moto Guzzi DNA, the longitudinal 90-degree V-twin cylinder banks jutting out the sides, the single-sided swing arm on the left side for the first time in Guzzi's history, and the exposed trellis frame elements that give it a mechanical, high-tech feel. This isn't just a retro throwback. The 2026 model is a modern interpretation of a sport touring roadster, blending Italian elegance with advanced engineering. It features full LED lighting, a 5-inch color TFT display, and smartphone integration through the Moto Guzzi MIA multimedia platform, allowing riders to access calls, music, and navigation directly from the cockpit. One of the most attention-grabbing features is the adaptive aerodynamic system. The V100 Mandello is one of the first production motorcycles from Guzzi to feature electronically controlled flaps on the fairing sides, plus a windscreen that automatically adjusts height depending on speed and wind conditions. This not only adds a futuristic, visually striking look when riding, but also offers genuine improvements in wind protection on highways and enhanced aerodynamics when leaning into corners. For a bike in the sport touring crossover segment, this combination of style and function is a real standout. The engine is where the V100 really comes to life. It uses a liquid-cooled, 1,042 cubic centimeters longitudinal 90-degree V-twin engine, delivering around 115 horsepower at roughly 8,700 revolutions per minute and 105 Newton-meters of torque at 6,750 revolutions per minute. This setup gives a satisfying mid-range punch and lively top-end performance while maintaining the signature V-twin character that Guzzi riders know and love. The torque curve is smooth and engaging, making city riding, twisty backroads, and long-distance cruising equally enjoyable. The engine pairs with a 6-speed manual gearbox and shaft drive, ensuring low maintenance, smooth power delivery, and long-lasting durability, a hallmark of Guzzi's touring DNA. The chassis and suspension complement the powertrain perfectly. The V100 uses a steel trellis frame with the engine as a stressed member, contributing to a lightweight yet stiff structure. The S model offers electronically adjustable Alline suspension and 4 ride modes: travel, sport, rain, and road. Braking is handled by twin Brembo discs with radial calipers up front and a single floating disc at the rear. Lean-sensitive ABS and traction control are managed through a 6-axis IMU, providing stability and confidence on both straight roads and tight curves. The overall package creates a riding experience that balances sportiness with comfort, making it suitable for aggressive canyon carving or long-distance touring. Ergonomically, the V100 Mandello sits upright with slightly forward foot pegs, offering a position that is comfortable for hours in the saddle without sacrificing control. The seat is well padded and the handlebar placement makes both city and highway riding intuitive. Riders will notice the distinctive throb of the V-twin through the seat and handlebars, a sensory reminder that they're on a Moto Guzzi. The combination of characterful engine note, aerodynamic assistance, and responsive chassis gives the bike a unique personality compared to conventional inline-fours or parallel twins. There are a few considerations for potential buyers. What weight is around 233 kilograms, so low-speed maneuvering requires attention, particularly in tight parking situations. Wind protection is excellent for most conditions but may require additional aftermarket screens for full touring comfort, especially with a passenger and luggage. Availability of parts and authorized service may vary by region, so it's important to check with local dealers. Despite these minor points, the overall experience is compelling, and the bike's character more than compensates for these considerations. As for price, the 2026 V100 Mandello is listed around $17,990 for the base model in North America. Regional pricing will vary due to taxes, import duties, and dealer markups, but this gives a general idea of its premium positioning. At this price point, riders are getting a modern, high-tech Italian motorcycle with unique features that set it apart from other sport touring machines in the 1,000 cubic centimeters category. The real unique selling points of the V100 Mandello go beyond specifications. First, the blend of heritage and innovation, a longitudinal V-twin with liquid cooling, shaft drive, and advanced electronics. Second, the adaptive aerodynamic system, which brings unprecedented technology to a class where most bikes have static fairings and windscreens. Third, the premium components such as Alene suspension, Brembo brakes, and IMU-enabled electronics provide confidence and performance on all types of roads. Lastly, the styling is unmistakably Italian, muscular, elegant, and highly distinctive, making the V100 Mandello a head-turner wherever it goes. In riding, this bike excels in versatility. It's spirited enough to enjoy on twisty mountain roads, comfortable for long stretches of highway riding, and manageable in city traffic. The torque delivery allows smooth acceleration without the abruptness sometimes found in high-revving sport bikes. The adaptive flaps and windscreen reduce fatigue on longer journeys, while the electronic suspension adapts to different conditions seamlessly. The bike offers a connection between rider and machine that is both engaging and comfortable, making each ride an experience rather than just transportation. If you're considering a bike that blends touring capability, sport performance, and unmistakable style, the 2026 Moto Guzzi V100 Mandello is a compelling choice. It may not beat a leader-class superbike on the drag strip, but it wasn't designed to. Instead, it offers an Italian-crafted experience that's rich in character, practical for real-world use, and exciting to ride. Its unique technology, premium components, and heritage make it an exclusive choice for riders seeking something special. For Global Bike Buzz, our verdict is that the V100 Mandello is a machine you ride with both your head and your soul. It's perfect for weekend getaways, spirited rides on scenic routes, or simply enjoying the mechanical art of a classic yet modern Italian motorcycle. If you can access one locally, test ride it, and experience the blend of technology, design, and character, you'll understand why Moto Guzzi enthusiasts are excited about this model. It's a bike that promises personality, capability, and style all in one package. We hope this review gives you a clear picture of what the 2026 Moto Guzzi V100 Mandello offers. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit the like button, subscribe for more in-depth reviews, and comment below with what feature you'd most like to experience on this bike. Thanks for watching Global Bike Buzz. Ride safe, ride smart, and we'll see you in the next video.